In this video, we'll cover Rock My Soul, found on page 67. This is the picking version of the song. So I'll play it for you first, and then we can discuss some of the elements in the rhythm after that. So in this song, we have some normal crotchet notes. We have some quaver notes as well. As you can see, with the bars across the top of them, remembering that these notes are played twice as fast because they're only worth half a count each. However, we also have some quaver notes here. You'll see that fret number 3 there, on string number 1, is tied together with a curved line underneath. What that means is the two quaver notes have been tied together to create one normal note worth one count. It's written like this to distinguish where halfway through the bar is. In music writing conventions, we couldn't have 3 quavers in that bar followed by a normal note because that note would last over the halfway point of the bar. We have to write it like this to show where that halfway point is.